Hi everyone. Today we are going to make homemade yogurt. It is so good, so easy, and you will save money. All you need to make yogurt is a good saucepan, 1 gallon of milk. You can use high fat, low fat, no fat. You are in charge of what you are making, so it's totally up to you. You'll need a wooden spoon, and you will need a thermometer and a paper towel to wipe the thermometer off. You're going to need a blanket to keep the yogurt warm, a piece of cheesecloth, and a colander. You will also need 1 to 2 tablespoons of your favorite yogurt. You will only need that for the first time. After that, you can use the culture of your yogurt that you make as often as you need it. So this milk is 1 gallon plus a little more because I wanted to make a whole pot full. We want to reach 175 degrees. We're at 135. I have this on 7 for an electric stove, which is medium high. Now, yogurt does not have to come up to 175 degrees, but because we are doing this in our home, we want to be extra sure. Most yogurt companies bring it to 165. And we want to be safe. This is just making sure that everything is sterile. I washed my pan really good. I usually rinse it out, spray a little bit of alcohol in there, wipe it down, and then rewash it with hot soap and water. Yogurt is so good for you. Some people do not take the whey out of their yogurt, which is the separation between the curds and the liquid. But I do, because whey is really good for you. And I'm actually going to dehydrate my whey today because it's a really good protein that I can add to my drinks. So we are at 145 and we will be back when we hit 175. Okay. We are at 175. So I have turned the heat off. Next, we just let it cool. We let it cool till it reaches 135 degrees, and then we'll get back to you. And I will let my pan sit in the sink of cold water until it comes down to 135. And I let it cool off a little too much, so I'm heating it back up to 135. And there we have it. So that's it. How easy was that? Now all you have to do is add, now I have a teaspoon here, is add a tablespoon of the yogurt that you made last time, or your favorite yogurt that you have in the fridge. And that is your culture for the whole batch. We'll give it a quick stir. It doesn't matter if your culture that you put in has fruit. Whatever you want. Mine actually had some blueberry in it. And that is it. I'll take my yogurt, put it right on my countertop, and wrap it in my blanket. That's it. You leave it overnight, at least 12 hours. And then I'll show you what you get in the morning or later today. Okay, it is time to check our yogurt. It smells wonderful. Look how thick. It's beautiful. Beautiful curds. So as you can see, I have a strainer in a glass bowl. And this is how I'm going to extract the whey. I just put a piece of cheesecloth over it. Do you believe how much yogurt you get out of a pan full of milk? And so when I'm done, I'll be back. Now I just ladle this beautiful, thick, not even refrigerated yet. Once this refrigerates, it gets even thicker. We are talking some seriously good yogurt. So here we have our yogurt, 9 8-ounce containers plus a quart. So say 10. My yogurt that I used to buy at Walmart was $1.98 for a tub. I liked Noosa. And so that would have been 20 bucks. And it cost me $1.28 for a gallon of milk. So, we have made money. We have saved money. And now, people have written to me asking about adding fruit. So, this is what I do. I made strawberry honey. It is honey with strawberries. And you cannot imagine, well, maybe you can, just how amazing this is in yogurt. It's truly delightful. The part about making your own yogurt is you can add whatever you want for fruit. But this is my favorite, and this is my favorite this week anyway. So we're going to put this video up, how to make the strawberry honey. So I'd like you to stay tuned. So if you think that looks good enough to eat, give me a thumbs up. And subscribe if you haven't already, because we have a lot of really good videos coming out that will help you to save money, learn how to do things the old way, be able to keep food in your pantry in case of an emergency, or just to have for convenience. Once you put this into the refrigerator, like I'm about to do, it becomes even thicker. So I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you give it a try with your family. So I hope you enjoyed this video on making homemade yogurt. Yogurt is extremely good for you. Your health is found in your gut, and yogurt is full of good bacteria, probiotics, and instead of taking them pill form, it's much healthier to eat yogurt. Especially, you get an extra serving of fruit in your daily diet. So if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I look forward to answering your questions and making more videos. So click subscribe. God bless you and your family.